Hey guys, I hope you're all well and safe. So it's been a while since I have unboxed and reviewed something that I have never witnessed before. LG just sent me this super cool new product they've just launched, and I really want to share it with you guys. It's the coolest thing I have seen all year, and it feels great to be a part of something so innovative. So from the looks of it, like as I can see, it's written Puricare right here. And it is LG's lineup of air purifying products, and it surprises me that they created something where they've implemented air purifying technology into something so small and something wearable. Now let's open this box. So guys, here it is. This is how it looks inside. I'm just gonna keep all the contents in the box outside and then take you through it. I love how compact the packaging is, by the way. Okay, so I've taken everything off. And I'm just gonna keep this aside. So I'm just figuring out how to open this. Okay, here it is. Okay, so guys, here it is. You can call it a mask because it looks very much like one, but LG calls it the Wearable Air Purifier. It's quite lightweight from the looks of it. It feels very premium. And now let's see what else comes in the box. So there is a pair of H13 grade HEPA filters, which are very high standard air filters. I didn't know about that, so that's pretty cool. Charging cable to obviously keep the mask running, a strap extender, and a pouch as well for storage. Now this is a silicone face guard. I'm just gonna take it out. So these are pretty cool. So once you put this in your mask, basically, and you put the mask on, this basically absorbs all the humidity and fog that's going to be caused inside the silicone frame. So when I put this on, I don't really feel a lot of humidity or fog inside. That's because that absorbs everything. So design-wise, it gives me very Stormtrooper feels with all the whites. And by the looks of it, you might think it's quite huge and bulky, but guys, surprisingly, it weighs only 130 grams. Every material used on this air purifier are from the highest of standards, and it is vigorously tested by some amazing experts in the LG team. In short, this is not an electronic N95 mask, but it is something that is completely on a different level. Now guys, just a second, I want to assemble this. So I'm gonna take this silicone frame, and the best part is these things are magnetic. So I just put it here, and then it just attaches itself, which is really good. I'm gonna take the HEPA filters. So remember I said it comes as a pair, so this is how it is. I'm gonna remove these tabs. They're removable and arrow facing down. And then I'll put this right here. And then I'm gonna do the same on the other side. So arrow facing down. Put this here. And guys, there you go. I have finally assembled the mask. On the right side of the wearable, you have this button that switches it on. And on either side of the device, there are two tabs. The one that I just showed you. So you put the HEPA filters in, and under the filter, we have fans, like right here, that eases the flow of air inside to make it comfortable to breathe. But these are not like every other fans. The wearable actually uses AI to determine your breathing pattern and adjust the airflow accordingly. Like, how cool is that? It's insane. And alternatively, you can press the power button to cycle between low, medium, and high speeds of the fan if you feel like the airflow is either too much, too less, uncomfortable, anything. So this is how it is. And under the mask, there is a flap which opens and closes to let the air out. So guys, now I'm just gonna wear the mask. So this is very comfortable and snug fit. I'm just screaming so you guys can hear me. The area around your nose and mouth, it just very gently adjusts to the shape of your face, ensuring no air escapes or enters. It feels a bit different to wear something like this, but I'm sure it won't take too long to get used to it. Now I'm just gonna switch it on here. Wow, okay guys, I can actually feel the air getting in and I have no trouble talking whatsoever with the wearable on. It is actually quite silent considering there are 2 fans running inside. Now if I remove the mask, the difference in air is so noticeable, and if you're outdoors, if there's pollution around you, this will make you feel so much better, and the air like inside and outside is so different. As you see over here, like my foundation just came in here over a bit, but you can just remove it and then just clean it very easily. So guys, here it is. We saw masks evolve from surgical to reusable cloth ones, sponge ones, and even from designers. But this is by far the most innovative take on masks, and this is definitely a safer option as it can protect you from 99.95% of harmful particles. You can check it out on LG.com to know more, and I am so happy to be one of the first to bring this product to you. I'll catch you guys later in the next video. Bye!